Warren Buffett once said he wouldn't pay $25 for all the Bitcoin in the world.
But why did he say so? To know the answer and learn about investment hacks that are easy to follow and hard to beat, keep watching. Hack number 1. Don't reinvent the wheel. Instead of investing in unknown companies and hidden gems, put your money in companies that have been winning because they are likely to keep winning. Hack number 2. Set clear goals. Whether you want to have a car in 5 years, a vacation in 7 years, or a house in 10 years, set clear goals and keep investing regularly to meet them. Hack number 3. Do your own research. When you want to invest, ignore what others, even experts, are saying and do your own research. Is the company a market leader? Is it planning to expand? Does it have debt? What about previous performance? You should be able to answer these questions using your research. Hack number 4. Diversify. Gold, stocks, real estate are all great ways of investing. But putting all your money in one can be disastrous. Always diversify. Hack number 5. Don't panic. You would not sell your house at a loss during a recession because you know the market will recover. So when the stock market crashes, don't panic. And if possible, buy more and drive your average buying price lower. We hope these hacks help you make millions.